students, welcome to our channel Education with Sri Vidya. Let us continue with the simple equations exercise 3 problem number 10. So after 15 years, Hema's age will become 4 times that of her present age. Find her present age is a question given in the text book. Right? So after 15 years, the Hema's age will become 4 times that of her present age. So first of all, we don't know the present age of Hema, right? So let us see that the present age of Hema is it is not given in the problem that the present age of Hema is X. Let us assume it as X. And as it is given in the question after 15 years. So I am writing over here after 15 years, Hema's age. So this is just for your understanding. Hema's age is equals to X plus 15. This is after 15 years of age. Next, it will become 4 times that of her present age. Now the present age of Hema is 4 times. 4 times. Now what is the present age? We assumed it as X and it is 4 times. So I am writing it as 4 into X, 4X. Now the present age is equals to Hema's 15 years back of age. 4. Now 4 times of X is equals to X plus 15, children. Now I am carrying forward this X over here, and this addition will become subtraction, which is nothing but transposition. 4x out of 4, if we remove 1, so it becomes 3x is equals to 15. X is equals to 15. This multiplication, if it goes this side, it becomes division. So x is equals to 3 ones are 3 5s are. Now what is the present age of Hema? 5. So present age is we assumed it as x is 5, and if we add x plus 5, x plus 15 after 15 years, what is her age? 5 plus 15, 20 years. After 15 years, her age will be 20 years. Now what is 4 times of x? 4 into 5, 20. When it is multiplied by 4 times, it becomes, her age becomes 20 years. 11th problem, children. A sum of rupees 3,000 is given in the form of 63 prizes. So for 63 prizes, here 3,000 has been allotted in the question. Right? If the prize money is either 100 rupees, so prize money is either, it may be 100 rupees or it may be 25 rupees. Find the number of prizes of each type. So each type of prizes we need to identify. First, what is given in the question? So total prize money. So how much it is given, allotted? 3,000. It is allotted as 3,000. And for how many prizes? Total number of prizes? 60. Total number of prizes is equals to 63. So prizes will be 63 prizes. And either it may be 100 rupees prize money or it may be 25 rupees prize money. So let us assume that 100 rupees prize money be X. Let 100 rupees prize money be X. So I am assuming this as an X. Now 25 rupees prize money as a, so I need to reduce from the total number of prizes this X, so that I'll be getting 25 prizes. Now what is the value? So the total value is so 100 into X. Now equation I am writing it as 100x plus 25 into 63 minus X. This is 100 and this is X. I am clubbing together and writing, I am multiplying and writing. And now 25 into 63 minus 23 into 63 minus X is equals to, what is the total amount? 3000 rupees. Right children? Let us calculate this. 100 into X plus 25 into 63 minus 25 into X. 25x is equals to 3000. Now 100x plus, what is 25 into multiplied by 63? Let us calculate. 5 is 15 into 6 plus 1 7, 30, 50. 1575. Right children? Minus 25x is equals to 3000. Is it okay children? Now what we need to do? So let us calculate 100x minus 25. Out of 100, if we subtract 25, so what will be the remaining? 75 is equals to this plus, we are transposing over this side, it becomes 3000 minus 1575. 75x is equals to, so 3000 minus 1575. Minus 1575. So here we are carrying forward 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 7, 2, 9 minus 5, 4, next 2 minus 1, 1, 14, 25. Right children? 14, 25. Next x is equals to, x is equals to 1425 divided by 75. So I am transposing over here. Here multiplication we have. If it goes this side, it becomes division. Now I am going to do division. Now 75 ones are 75 19s are. So you divide children. 70x is equals to 19 is the answer. Now what is our, for 100 prize money will be 90 rupees, and for 25 it is, the prize money will be 63 minus 90. So 13 minus 9, 4, 5 minus 1, 4. So here for 25 prizes we will be getting 44. Here we are getting 90. Now let us add this two. 44 plus 19, 13, 63. So we got this number, this hence verified. Coming to 12th question children, a number is divided into two parts such that one part is 10 more than the other. If two parts are in the ratio of 5:3, find the number of two parts. So a number is divided into two parts. So let us assume that I'm thinking that the smaller part is So smaller part is x, and such that one part is 10 more than the other. So, and the greater part I am assuming as 10 more than the other. That means 10 more times than the smaller part. Then the ratio of the parts is given as 5:3. Ratio is given as 5:3. I mean 5 is a greater part. So greater part is 5 and the smaller part is 3. So the thing is greater by smaller. X plus 10. So greater part of this divided by smaller part is equals to, so greater part of this divided by smaller part of this. Now cross this, cross multiplication. 3 multiplied by x plus 10 is equals to 5 multiplied by x. So 3 into x, 3x plus 3 into 10, 30 is equals to 5 into x, 5x. Now I am taking this 3x to that side, transposing this 3x to that side, plus 3x will become minus 3x. 30 is equals to 5x minus 3x. So 5 minus 3 is 2x. Now x is equals to 30 divided by 2. So 2 ones, 1 will remain, 2 5s 10. X is equals to 15 children. So this is what the smaller part we have got it, and coming to this smaller part we have got it as 15, and the greater part is x plus 10 means 15 plus 10. So that is 25. This is the greatest part.